Hi, I'm Keshia East, and I'm here to show you my favourite false lash hacks for when you're applying your Eylure lashes. My first tip is when picking lashes, you want to make sure you go for a style that suits you. Eylure have a variety of lash styles, including faux mink, dramatic, natural accents, and fluttery ones. For the rest of my hacks, I'm going to be using the faux mink Baroque lashes. Tip number 2, you always want to make sure that you measure and trim your lashes if you need to, just to make sure it fits your eye shape. And I'm going to do that right now. Tip number 3, this is a particularly good tip if you've already worn the lashes. You take your lash band and wrap it around a brush or your finger, then hold for a few seconds. This will help to reshape the band and make it super easy to put on. People always ask me whether I like to put mascara on before or after my false lashes, and the truth is, I like to do both. I just put a small amount of mascara on, and this allows my false lashes and my natural ones to blend seamlessly. So that's it for application. When removing your lashes, you really want to make sure that you clean them if you want to reuse them. And I'm going to show you how. So I'm going to start by removing any excess glue from the lash band with my tweezers. Make sure not to ruin the lash band when you do this. Next, lay the lashes on a cotton pad. Then soak a cotton bud in makeup remover and run back and forth over the lashes to remove any remaining glue, mascara and dirt. Then use a spoolie to comb out the lashes. This will help keep the original shape and make them extra fluffy. Lastly, make sure to put them in the original packaging or in a safe place, ready for the next time you use them. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out some of Eylure's other videos for more tips and tricks.